Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix LG TV black screen. So first of all, you need to unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to look on the back of your TV and find out where the device that you're trying to get to work is plugged into. Once you've found out which port it is, then you need to press the source or input button on your TV remote, and then select the HDMI input that your device was connected to. For instance, if your device is plugged into HDMI 2 port, then you need to select HDMI 2 on your TV screen. Hopefully this will fix the issue, and if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.